What does a sump pump actually do? This is a sump pump. It is one of the most important parts of a water drainage system in a basement. The water that's collected by our water guard drainage system is going to flow into the sump pump basin. When water reaches a certain level within the basin, it's going to activate the pumps, which is going to move the water through these pipes and out to the discharge line. Without it, collected water would simply just stay stagnant in the basement. So when's the last time you checked your sump pump to see if it's efficient for you?